All right, here we go. We have an awesome product here from iPlay, iLearn. This is their Megabot Dino Squad, and we are super excited to crack it open. That's a Brachiosaurus. We got a Tyrannosaurus. What else we got in here, big dog? We've got a Triceratops, and we got an engineering team that we are going to crack into. So let's see. This is iPlay, iLearn. Absolutely get into it and have some fun. So I do believe there are separate packages for each one. So let's go ahead and see them individually here as we learn what we are working with.
I think we can both look into that.
Okay? And hopefully you're able to see.
My bag.
I think you have on your side, which is the engineering team. Dude, look at this dude.
That one's already
Huh?
That one's already ready.
That one is already. How do you work this thing? Oh, is it magnetic? Does it go on its own, dude? Look at this. Look at this, Bet. Ah, check it out. That's pretty cool. Next one. Let's see if we can get them open. See what we're working with. Okay, this one's got wheels on it. Dude.
Is that a T-Rex?
That is T-Rex, bro.
I don't know what this one is.
All right, let's see what else we got. That is the team one. Let's see what else is in this one. Here we go.
Can I look in the team one?
I don't know. Dude, this is Triceratops. This is my favorite. Look at him. He's a goober. Oh, okay. So I think this is magnetic, and you're able to put it all together. It shows you all the pieces, and shows all the magnetic assembly. You've got a crane, truck, forklift, cement mixer, excavator, and dump truck. All in one, rip roaring ready to go. But you know what we should do? Let's build the big dog. You want to build the big dog?
Dad, I have a question. Watch this.
Let's go, dude. All right, we're going to build the big dog here. Let's put it together. So we need, this is a part of a leg. This is a part of a leg.
You're making the team?
We're making the team. So we need the body here. This is a foot. And let's see. We've got foot and foot. Think. How does that work? This, okay, that clicks in.
Dad, I think that I can make this happen.
You think so? Alright, let's see. Dude, I'm thinking these. Okay, maybe that doesn't click in. Okay, let's get that out of there. Alright, we're gonna figure this out together. Okay, boom.
And what does this bolt go?
I don't know, bud.
Maybe.
Is it like that? Okay, we got a foot. We got a leg.
And then this goes on the.
And then this one is gonna have a leg as well. I think this comes apart somehow, just like so. And then I believe we got a leg here as well.
It's not connected.
There's leg number 2. No. All right, we got 2 legs, just like so. Check out those legs, dude. So it goes like that.
And head go.
I don't know yet. Let's figure it out. So this dude goes into number 1 and number 5. I don't know, somewhere on this guy. This has got to come apart. Okay, that comes apart.
Dad, watch this.
Yeah?
Dad, watch this.
Whoa.
Watch this.
That's pretty cool.
And
All
Dad,
right, hold on.
and watch this.
Oh, okay, head goes right here. Look at that, dude.
And watch this.
Okay. And then this guy.
Dad, and watch this.
I'm watching, dude. Whoa! All right, check this dude out. Look, I got them all together. Here we go. We're gonna slide in.
Triceratops in.
Somehow, some way, this slides in together. I don't know where. We're gonna have to figure that piece out. Okay, this sets maybe on top. I don't know. Did you figure it out for me?
Oh, so this goes on top of the yellow.
You think so?
Yeah, it does. See that green? It has yellow on the bottom.
Okay, I like it.
So it goes on top.
I like it. Well, we also have these clips right here. Oh, next to the... Oh, there it is. Okay, so these go here.
And then it connects to that.
Look at this, dude. Mom, check this guy out. Look what we're building. That is cool. All right, so we got that part together. We need arms. So 7 and 5. So this one, somehow, some way, I think it's gonna, okay, arms go down. arm like so. And this dude should connect on this side. Oh, right here. Here we go. So this is a left arm, I think. Green foot, green arm. Check that arm out, dude.
Dad, look at this one.
Uh-huh. And then that one's going to connect too. All right, let me connect that one.
Look at the wings.
Yeah.
Put the wings on.
And then this one.
Maybe the wings go
That's his breastplate. That goes on his front.
I can put it on.
All right, put it on. Let's see where it goes. Yep, definitely goes lower. You're in the right spot. You gonna slide it over a little bit? I think it's got to go kind of. Let me see. Let me see real quick so I can see what's on the back of it. Okay, this piece. There's a clip in right there. I don't know. Okay. Well, it's gonna set right here on the front. We're gonna figure. Oh, here we go. Up a little higher. Here it is. Oh, dude, this is the ultimate Transformer. Look how cool this dude looks. Look at that. All together. So you got Triceratops, you got all these cool dudes, and then you can take each armor part. What do you think? So you take each armor part. This is going to slide in. There's a little clip here, bud. So that is pretty cool. Just takes a minute to figure out where each piece kind of falls on it. But at the end of the day, wouldn't you say this is the ultimate Transformer? Dino Transformer, dude. You got these arms. Look at that. That is sweet. Guys, at the end of the day, you know what you should do? What should we tell them?
Check it out.
Check it out.